In this lecture, we will study about the releases that needs to be applied to these tie members and these bracings. So first of all, we can go to display options on the top and switch on the releases. Go to object assignments and there is an option here, end releases. Left click on apply and close. So you will notice that only bracings are released, these beams are not released. So these are also simply supported beams and these beams also need to be released. So we will select all these beams. Go to assign frame, releases partial fixity. Select torsion on starting end and moments on both the ends and left click on apply and then OK. So now we have assigned correct releases to all the tie members and bracings.